Hey friends, welcome back to Millennial Realtor Monday. Woo woo! All right, so today we're talking about self-employment and side hustles and how to get approved for a loan. Woo woo! But before we jump into that, I am Keyra Ford. My channel talks about real estate tips and tricks, dance fitness go-tos, and much, much more. Woo woo! So by now, I'm hoping you know who Kelsey is, but she'll introduce herself once again and tell you what she does and how she can help you get approved for a loan. So here we go.
Of course. So my name is Kelsey Acosta. I'm over here at Willow Bend Mortgage, and my goal is to get you pre-approved and budgeted, ready to go for your home search. That way, Miss Keyra over here can lead you to the homes within the purchase price range that you're looking at.
Yes. Home shopping is my expertise. Loans are hers. Woo woo. So, anyways, I need to stop saying woo woo. I know,
it's catchy.
It is. It's like my go-to. But so my first question for you is, when it comes to side hustles and self-employed clients, they always ask, okay, so what are the requirements or what do you analyze when it comes to their income?
Right. Okay.
So can you elaborate on
Of
that?
course. So whether you're self-employed and you own your own business, or maybe you're a contractor and kind of bounce around, we really just want to see your past 2 years of tax returns. Okay. So that's going to allow us to know how much income you are claiming once those earnings start to come in. So 2 years of tax returns. If you own minimum. If you own your own business, we want to see those business tax returns as well.
Okay.
2 years. If you own just less than 25% or 25% or less, we just want to see the K1s within those business returns. Otherwise, if you own more, we want to see the full tax return.
I love it. So my next question to you is, so is it harder to get approved when you do self-employment slash side hustles than it is just for a traditional
Yes
loan?
and no.
Is it the same kind of loan though? Is it an FHA or conventional loan? But
you can explore all of the loans that we've got here as a self-employed borrower.
Okay, gotcha.
But the only thing that we want to make sure is that you're claiming that income
And then it adds up.
And that it adds up.
So
Right.
the risk isn't huge on you guys' end.
Right. Exactly.
Okay.
So everything is pretty crystal clear when it comes to someone who's salaried or hourly. You get a pay stub every few weeks. You also get your W-2s that tell you what your total earnings are. But for a self-employed borrower, there's so many other expenses when it comes to running your own business. And so we want to make sure what those write-offs are, what we're earning in the meantime, and how those balances out as far as your gross monthly income goes.
So if you make $100,000 and then you write off the whole $100,000, you basically have no money to buy a house. So those people who do that, just know that the 2 years has to show that you make something. I know a lot of us, well, I won't say us, but a lot of people like to write off so many things, but it's harder for you to be able to approve them because it seems as if they don't have a monthly income.
Exactly. And we really just want to take an average of the two. If we see that the income is increasing, if we see that it's declining, that's kind of when we're in that red area. So really getting a good CPA that you can trust, that you can talk about your earnings with, and file your taxes correctly will help.
Perfect. I feel like that's the only thing that when it comes to being self-employed or using that side hustle, especially since the pandemic has hit, a lot of people have been using more streams of income. So if you are self-employed and you are thinking about becoming a homeowner, just know that you will have to have that minimum of 2 years of tax returns. Make sure you have a good CPA who can make sure that you're not writing off too much, because I actually get that a lot from some clients. So you're able to qualify for a loan. Thank you so much, Kelsey, for all the good and valuable information.
Of course.
And my mission is to help millennials and first-time home buyers create that generational wealth by buying homes or selling them and getting into something even better, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Peace.
Bye.
Yay.
Oh my gosh, there she is. It's Keyra Ford. Keyra Ford. You don't know what? Never heard? Oh my gosh, she's slayed every time.